Celebrating a birthday party with friends can be a lot of fun. Here are some ideas. Number 1. DIY Spa Day. You can organize a DIY spa day with all the cucumbers and facials the birthday star could want. Number 2. Board Game Night. You can organize a board game night with a few selections and delicious finger foods. Number 3. Movie Night. You can organize a movie night with a few classic selections, popcorn, and some frozen cocktails. Number 4. Outdoor Picnic. You can organize an outdoor picnic with a few close friends. Number 5. Host a game night. You can host a game night with your friends. Number 6. Do a spa day. You can organize a spa day to relax and unwind. Number 7. Have a cake swap. You can have a cake swap where everyone brings their favorite cake. Number 8. Cook the night away. You can cook a meal together with your friends. Number 9. Rent a limo. You can rent a limo and take your friends on a ride around town. Number 10. Plan a surprise party. You can plan a surprise party for your friend. Number 11. Backyard Olympics. You can organize a backyard Olympics with games and DIY scoreboard. Number 12. Around the World Party. You can organize an around the world party with food and decorations from different countries. Number 13. Brunch Party. You can organize a brunch party with your friends. Number 14. Attempt an escape room. You can attempt an escape room with your friends. Number 15. Go on a whitewater rafting adventure. You can go on a whitewater rafting adventure with your friends. Number 16. Indulge in your favorite meal. You can indulge in your favorite meal at your favorite restaurant or cook it at home. Number 17. Go on a drive-in movie. You can go on a drive-in movie with your friends. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The key is to plan something that your friend will enjoy and that will create lasting memories. If you have watched this completely, so subscribe my channel to be connect with me.